Okay, problem number 27 from the 2022 test. As a district, we're at 56%, which means we did okay. I mean, we're almost at 60%. I know exactly what happens in these kind of problems. What happens here is if we use the tiles, we can kind of already guarantee that we have the negative 5D, and over here I got the less than or equal to symbol. That at some point I'll have 5D, and then I'll have this as a greater than symbol. So I can already eliminate B and C. Okay, so again, only if we use concrete objects, only use those tiles, we develop these rules. And that our kids conceptually hang at the abstract level. We'll do the math in a bit so you guys can see what's going on here. And then at that point, we know it's going to be one of these two answers. We subtract by 5 and 1/2. We subtract by 5 and 1/2, right? 5 and 1/2 over here. Ah, that's horrible. What the heck? What are you writing, follow me? So minus 5 and 1/2, right? So I'm trying to write there. So minus 5 and 1/2 on both sides, which means this will cancel out. So symbolically, we're here, hopefully, right? The hard part now is what is 17 minus 5 and 1/2? A lot of different ways to get here. Please try to avoid this. If you're a fifth grade teacher showing this is where a lot of mistakes are made, and that's why a bunch of kids will hit that answer choice of D, right? So let me tell you what happens. I got 17, and I can remove 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, actually, let's do it this way. 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17. I'm going to remove 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I just get my eraser and remove 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's called the act of removing. And then I'll only remove half of this guy. So you're gone. What am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 1/2. So this is 11 and 1/2. Right? But it's going to, yeah, and this guy becomes positive. It ends up becoming negative 11 and 1/2. Right? Once I do all the work, right? I do the flipping. So over here is 11 and 1/2. Here it's negative 5D, 11 and 1/2. I flip everything. Now it's the division part, right? Divide by 5, divide by 5. So if I divide by 5, I can represent that like if I was in second grade. You two go here, you two go here, you two go here, you two go here, and then you two go here. So right off the bat, just by dividing there, my answer is 2 point something or 2 and something. It's not negative 4. My answer could only be A. And just by doing that different kind of approach, that second grade math approach, that third grade modeling, second grade modeling, rules we come up with from algebra tiles, the kids will have a better shot at these problems. And notice I don't have to do that much more math anymore. I'm pretty much done. I know that's my answer. The question here is, how do I get 11 1/2 and divide it by 5? Another thing you can do is you can use manipulatives. You can use the tiles, things like that. Check this out. I want to pop this guy open. The wonderful thing of manipulatives is not just the tiles. 11 and 1/2 divided by 5, right? Let's work it out. 11 1/2 divided by 5. We'll go fraction bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and a half. And then you go 1, 2, 1, 2. Each person gets 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There's my 5. I got 5 groups of 2. Right? So we're going to pretend. Okay, so we know it's 2 something. In our case, it's negative. We know that. But we're still working on this. We end up with this part. And I got to cut this guy into 5 equal parts. So I can always merge them. And see if it lets me merge. It's not going to let me merge them. Okay, it's fine. But I got to cut this into 5 equal parts. What if I cut this into halves as well? That's 3 halves. Let's see here. Merge. All right. Let's see here. 5 parts. Boom. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope. And so I'm trying to get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, to 5, getting close. Let's go into tenths. All right, let's split this guy up. All right, to 5 parts. Ah, look at that. So I had to break that 1.5 into 15, into kind of like 5 equal groups. Get that? And so it ends up being tenths. So my answer is 2 and 3/10. But in our case, the answer was -2 and 3/10 because of that negative whole, this whole part right here. So there it is. So -2 and 3/10. That's just me using manipulatives, using different things, test taking strategies, rules based off of tiles. It all comes into play right here in this one problem. If we expose our kids to tiles, we give them, they have them derive the rules, they have a better shot at getting this. Conceptually understand what's happening here, that I can't, it's not 4, it's going to be 2 point something or 2 point something, that kind of stuff. Watch the video, see if you can utilize the video in your way of working out problems like this to help you, score better in tests and just understand the math better.